All right, guys, you're going to open a blank Word document, and we're going to save this to your OneDrive. So go to Save, double-click your OneDrive. In your OneDrive, you're going to choose your 6th Computers folder, like this, and name it Hiking. Okay, hit save. All right, the first thing that we're going to do is change the layout of our page here. So we're going to go to Layout, and we're going to change the orientation to Landscape. So instead of being more up and down, it's going to be wider. It should kind of be reflected up here in your ruler if you see that. Also, I know that the sheet that you have as the example is pretty fancy and it's already formatted. Don't worry about it. We will get to that in the video. So just work as I work. Okay, so right up here at the top, you're going to type the Pinnacle Hiking Club, and we're just going to go ahead and leave that as it is. Make sure that since it is a proper noun that you capitalize the P, the H, and the C. Then you're going to press Enter 3 times and choose Insert, Table. You're going to draw a 2-column by 3-row table. Okay? And you're just going to type what we have there in the table. I have my formatting marks on. Just choose your down arrow. Don't press Enter. All right. Below that, you're just going to click in that little paragraph space below that and press Enter there. And now we're just going to make our next table. We'll format that here in a minute. Let's just go ahead and get the text typed, or the table created and the text typed. So our table here is a 5-row and 7-column table. So let's go to Insert, Table, Insert, and then do 5 rows by 7 columns. So it should be a 7 by 5 table. Okay. Our title here is going to say and again, I didn't press Enter, just keep typing. We want that eventually to go across, but for right now, we're just going to type it, or yes, let's just go ahead and type it there. Then we're going to type Sun, Tab, Mun. Just press Tab, and then if your cells are merged, the text begins in the first cell that it's merged. Okay, so after you're done typing there, you're going to select this row here, this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Remember, if you move your mouse out to the left of the row and click it, what you don't want to do is add a row. If you accidentally add a row, just hit undo and try again. We're going to make those all caps. So if you remember up here in your home ribbon, you have that change caps option, and that is right here. We're just going to do all uppercase. Okay. Go ahead and hit save here. All right, we're going to go ahead and type in our footer. So we're going to go to Insert, Footer, Blank, and go ahead and type that information and center it down below. If I have something bolded and italicized, go ahead and do that. Okay, remember to center, you're going to do Control E. You're going to select Pinnacle Hiking Club, Control Bold, Control I, bold and italicize it. And looks like you're good there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and close out of our header and footer. So you got to be in the header and footer tools section. I'm going to go up here and click it. Okay, so to close out of your footer, you're just going to go up here and click Close Header and Footer, and then scroll to the top of your page. And we're going to insert a picture here. So we're going to go to, make sure nothing is selected, just have a blinking cursor there, and go to Insert, Online Pictures, and search for Mountain Clip Art. Make sure you spell it correctly. Okay, we're going to scroll down, and hopefully everyone can insert this one. Great. We want to move it in front of text and then make it a little bit smaller for now, just so we have that picture in our Word document. Okay, so now we're going to mess with this table here. So we're going to put our cursor where it says Stroll. Okay. We're going to right click and, sorry, don't right click. Go up here to Table Tools, Design, or no, I lied. Sorry. Table Tools Layout, go to Auto Fit and say Auto Fit Contents. Okay, that's going to do both of those cells. That's okay. You're going to highlight Stroll down to Backcountry Adventure and go here to your home ribbon and choose Right Align. And click that. Now, so our text is on the right, but now we want our table to go on the right. So we're going to click on the Table Selector button and go up here and choose the same thing. So now choose Right Align. All right, we're going to put our cursor here where it says Stroll and then in the cell next to it. So if it's easier to click and Stroll and then press your right or press tab so that way it kind of goes over there. Click after Stroll and then press on your arrow key. Just want to get a blinking cursor in this row or choose that down arrow, either way. And you're going to go up here to this Table Tools Layout, and we're going to make the width, just increase it to 0.7. Okay. We're going to highlight Stroll to Backcountry Adventure. Go here to our home ribbon and change the text to that Berlin Sands FB. Maybe make it size 12 there. And then extend your column width for just this first one out to the left a little bit so that way Backcountry Adventure is still on one line. All right, now we're going to choose our 3 colors for the stroll here. We're going to go up here to our green. And so the stroll color is going to be this green accent 6 darker 50%. Okay. Our day hike, so put your cursor in the blank cell next to day hike. That one's going to be, let's do this one. Let's do this one up here. Dark green accent 6. And then put your cursor in the lower one. We could probably do that one. No, let's do this one. That's easier. Green accent 6 lighter 60%. Okay. Go up here and click on your table selector button for this top table, and under table tools, design, under borders, choose no border. Okay. Here on this screen, you can kind of still see a border, but when you print it, it will not be there. All right, go ahead and hit save. All right, similar thing down here. Up here where it says November hiking schedule, you're going to go to Table Tools Layout, grab your eraser, and erase those dividing lines. Remember, if you accidentally erase something you didn't mean to, just choose Control-Z, undo it. Not a big deal. Okay, go ahead and turn off your eraser. Hover your mouse out here to the left of your days of the week. Go ahead and select that row. We're going to fill those black. So in your shading right here or in your table tools design, you can do it that way too. Bold your font and center it. All right, so down here we're going to be doing some color coding as well. So our strolls, this gets a little difficult. So if it's just easier to click in the cell and go up and tell it to hit the same color instead of trying to do it quickly, you can do that. So we're going to put our cursor down here in the lower left-hand corner of Cheakamus Lake. We're going to press and hold Control with our left hand and move our mouse and click Seymour Creek and Lynn Cannon. That should select those 3 cells. Don't worry about if it's on 2 lines and mine isn't. Just do what you need to do there. Select those 3. We're going to go up here to our fill color, fill, and choose our stroll color was that green accent 6, darker 50%. And it should automatically change your font to white, but if it doesn't, change it yourself there. Okay. Now our day hikes are Panorama Ridge, Black Tusk, and Ambleside Beach. So we're going to have our mouse down here, lower left of Panorama Ridge, click it, press and hold Control, select Black Tusk and Ambleside Beach, and fill those the same color as our day hike. That should be that top green color here. Okay, and then same thing with Skyline Trail. I'm going to run out of time here. Press and hold Control, Diamond Head, and Howe Sound Crest Trail, and fill those. I think it was the green, accent 6 lighter, 60%. And hit save and move on to the next video.